Stay tuned.
New at 6, the cold is causing a growing problem for homeowners across our area. Water pipes are freezing and in some cases bursting.
And it's not just a mess, it can be very expensive. 5 on your side's Kaya Edwards talked to a plumber about what you can do to prevent your pipes from freezing up, and she's in downtown St. Louis. Kaya?
Well, we tagged along with the plumbing company Roto-Rooter, and they are really busy these days. One plumber tells me he's been going to 8 to 10 houses per day fixing up busted pipes. This home was stop number 6 today for Don Byington. It's in Tower Grove East. The people who live here say water was all over the kitchen floor. And if you look closely, you can see a bulge in one of the pipes. Don says that's where it expanded and split because of this cold. Here's what he says you can do to prevent your pipes from freezing and leaking.
You should let the water trickle a little bit, hot and cold, because as long as it's moving, then it's less likely to freeze up.
Leave your water running, especially if your water line is on an outside wall of your house. For instance, the kitchen sink in this home is on an outside wall. There's not another room on the other side. So Don says that's pretty much all you can do unless you want to take on some major maintenance, such as insulating your lines. Live from downtown St. Louis, Kaya Edwards, 5 on your side.
Kaya, thank you.